Hi scholars, so today we're completing module 4, lesson 7. Before we start, I wanted to go over and review how to find the area of a rectangle. So go ahead and find the area of this rectangle here and write the equation to match. And when you're done, you can go ahead and find the perimeter of this same rectangle. So go ahead, pause now, press play when you're ready to check. Okay, so I see that there are 1, 2, 3, going down, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles or boxes going across. So that's 3 times 4 for my equation. And I can multiply that. And if I wasn't sure, I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. My area is 12 square units. The perimeter of this rectangle is finding the length around the entire rectangle. So I would add up all the sides. So that means 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. And that is, well, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 4 is 14, so it's 14 units. So notice I don't say square units because square units is only for area. All right, so let's get into today's lesson. So today we are finding the area of rectangles through multiplication of side lengths. It's similar to what we've already been doing. And since we've already been reading this vocabulary for a while, I'm just going to let you pause the video and read it to yourself to refresh your memory. And go ahead and read these to yourself as well. All right, so let's get started. So the only difference is today I don't have the lines going across, so I need to focus on the side lengths. I won't be able to count the squares inside because I only can see how long the sides are. So it says label the side lengths of Benjamin's room, write an equation to find the area of the bedroom. Well, I see that this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units, and the top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 units. So my equation would be length times width, right? So the length is 11 times the width of 9. 11 times 9 equals 99. And I know that because my 11 times table is so easy, you just double the number, right? 11 times 9 is 99. So I already found the area of this problem. 99 of this rectangle, square units. So the area of Benjamin's bedroom is 99 square units. So let's try one together. What about this rectangle A? Well, let's go ahead and label the sides. Tell me how long are the sides of this rectangle? So you should have noticed that they're each 6 units long or wide, the length and the width. So our equation would be 6 times 6. And what does that equal? What's the area of this rectangle? So that's 36. Now, if you have a problem like this, I know we're doing everything on the computer, so it's going to be a little harder to do it, but if you had a physical copy, you could extend the lines so that you could see the boxes inside. And it's best if you did it with a ruler or some type of straight edge, because notice how my lines are not very straight. But I already know the answer, so I'd want you to do it with a ruler. So that way you don't accidentally draw the line in the wrong spot. But if you're really having a hard time finding the answer, you could draw in the lines or draw your own shape to match and draw the lines in. So here I can see that there are 36 squares because if I count all of these, they would add up to 36. So if multiplying becomes an issue, you could do this. And of course, you can always use the strategies we've learned, right? Tape diagrams, equal groups, arrays, right? You don't have to have these memorized. Eventually, we would like to have them memorized by the end of the year. but that can be a goal that we have, okay? So go ahead and pause the video and try this last one. You're going to label the sides, write the equation, and find the area. So press pause to solve this one, then press play when you're ready to check your work. All right, welcome back. So you should have counted the sides and found that the top was 6 and the side was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So our equation would be, excuse me, 6 times 7. And after multiplying or skip counting or drawing an array, whatever strategy you used, your answer would be 42 square units for this mural. And that's how you pronounce this word, mural. And a mural is really just like a painting. Well, essentially, it's not just a painting, but to simplify what this means. All right, well, that's our lesson for today. You'll have other problems similar to this where you'll have to either match the equation with the problem or solve to find the area or write an equation that would help you find the area, right? Remember, we're always multiplying one side by the other, the length times the width of the rectangle to find the area, right? Area equals length times width. That's the formula we use to find area. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Schoology. Thank you so much for watching.